Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make few phrases in Lingala and English. But if you haven't watched my previous video, please click here and then after that come back in this video. So let's go to I believe you still remember this verb to be. So we can say, I just make few phrases in Lingala and English. So let's start from English. Hello is a greeting, as we all know. When you greet someone, start by this is a greeting. Hello, same to Lingala as well. Hello in Lingala is mbote. Hello mbote. Hello mbote. I am Tom. Nazali Tom. So you greet someone and you just introduce yourself to the person. It's the same thing when you greet someone. Mbote Nazali Tom. Bazali kobeta bali ya makolo. They are playing football. So in English, if we see foot, he's here, makolo. So foot in Lingala is makolo. And ball, this one, and then here is Bali. She's my best friend, azali muninga nangaya motema. So motema is heart. The heart that we got in Lingala is motema. And then because I don't know any words in Lingala for best, kitoko, but it won't make any sense when he said like in Lingala azali muninga nanga kitoko. When he says that in Lingala, it would be like that's my beautiful friends. So kitoko in Lingala is beautiful, it's best as well, sort of. So the only thing I thought like it would be better, it will be motema. You are playing my favorite game. I made a mistake here. Ozali kobeta lisano oyo nalingaka. So lisano is game. We know the verb to be already. Ozali kobeta is playing. So you are playing Ozali kobeta, my favorite game, lisano oyo nalingaka. So here I just put favorites nalingaka. Thanks very much for watching my video. I believe this one will help you again to improve your Lingala or to improve your English. The reason I'm doing this kind of videos is to help many people and to help many people to understand Lingala or to improve their English as well. So please subscribe.